As a WordPress developer, you may want to block all external requests on localhost or on development environment. Let's see how you can do it. I will show you two ways. One is using plugin, another is using constants in WP, like adding some code to wp-config file. Let's start with plugin version. So if you go to add new plugins and search for wp-http, and this plugin, HTTP Requests Manager by wp, will have feature to block all external requests. So if you install and activate it, then navigate to the Tools, HTTP Requests Manager plugin page. This plugin logs all WP HTTP requests, and you can see which external requests this website has. It has like communicates to WordPress repository, Cloudflare, and other WordPress downloads, plugins, rank mass, website, it's like self, Google API, Theme analytics, rank mass, all different sort of external requests. You don't want all this happening in your local host because it all slows down your website. And you go to settings and then select block external requests. So what will this do? This will block all external requests. You can see if you go to plugins page and want to add new plugin, you will get an error saying unexpected error happened, something may be wrong, like it's because external requests are blocked. You cannot search anything, you cannot install, update anything. You will get the same error. For example, if you want to go to your existing plugins and then check, you cannot check even what's in there. For example, view details, you cannot view these details. Also, in site health, probably it will say you some errors, but it's because we don't want to have an external requests on localhost. It's not live site. So that's how we block all external requests. Additionally, you can allow WordPress requests only, but still all other requests will be blocked and your website may not work properly if you are using plugins that communicate with other servers for backups, for loading analytics, and other features. So additionally, if you want to allow only WordPress org but block all other requests, then you can select this option. So this is first way. Second way of blocking all external requests is without plugin. You can go to wp-config.php file for your WordPress and add this line to block all external requests. And if you want to allow only WordPress org, then you can add this line, which will allow only WordPress org requests. If you want to block individual requests, then I have another tutorial that will show how to add custom rules for blocking individual external requests without blocking all requests. And if you like this tutorial, please let me know, and if you have questions, ask them in comments. If you want more WordPress tutorials, you can find them on my YouTube channel, or you can also find them on my website, wp.com. Thank you for watching.